Look no further than the 2023 Honda Accord. This Accord will dazzle you with its perfect blend of comfort, safety, connectivity, spaciousness, performance, and elegant style. It's no wonder the Accord has become an industry icon. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, heated and/or cooled front seats, navigation system, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, moonroof, heated rear seat, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist. In life, there are many roads to take. Choose excellence. Drive the Honda Accord.